Aqueducts by Mark and Morgan. The first aqueducts were made with mortar. They were made from a concrete from volcanic ash. They took the form of underground tunnels to go through mountains. The word aqueduct comes from the Latin words aqua, water, and ducere, to lead. The first aqueduct was built in 1312 BC. Aqueducts rely on gravity. The serwi, or slaves, will repair the aqueducts. The average person used 250 gallons of water each day in ancient Rome. Greeks also constructed aqueducts, but not like the Romans. If an aqueduct had to cross a river, the Romans built ponds or bridges. The first Greek large-scale water management project occurred in the 7th century BC. The first aqueducts were constructed in Mesopotamia and on Mycenaean Crete. The Mycenaeans constructed aqueducts at Tiryns and Mycenae. Long-distance aqueducts, including tunnels, were constructed in the Eurasian Empire. Sophisticated networks of aqueducts are constructed at Babylon. Long-distance aqueducts were constructed at Samos in Athens. Rome's first aqueduct, constructed the 16-kilometer-long Aqua Appia. Rome's Anno Vitas aqueduct, constructed the largest Roman aqueduct, 49 meters high, completed at Point du Gard. Rome's 91-kilometer-long Aqua Marcia aqueduct is the longest aqueduct in the world. How were aqueducts built? Aqueducts were built, like I said earlier, from a concrete made from volcanic ash and mortar. And how did they go through mountains? Well, the Romans would create holes into the mountains or dig through them so the water can rush through and continue on its journey. How much water could they carry? It depends on the aqueduct. It depends also where it's coming from. So if an aqueduct was coming from Spain, it would have larger amounts of water being carried. But if it was like more towards Rome, it would be a little bit less wide. How many miles would they stretch? Well, they could stretch from 91 kilometers, like I said before, to like 16 kilometers. Were there any aqueducts built in other areas besides ancient Rome? Yes, there were. Like I said, they were built in Mesopotamia, Greece, Samos, Athens, which is Greece. This is the finishing slide. Thank you for watching.